south central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Deerfield County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Fort Trevor and Roosevelt to Millersburg and Duncannon, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to roofs. Increase. Locations impacted include Oxford, Shamokin, Shenandoah, St. Paul, Mount Carmel, Millersville, Springfield, Portland, Ashland, Millersburg, Fairview, Twindale, and Hoboken. This includes Interstate 81 mile markers 104 to 126. Hold your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significantly damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania,